come together. I'm very much excited today here, sitting among you all, standing in front of this podium and speaking, sharing few words with you all. We, as a young Tiprasa, we cannot progress if we remain stuck with the old ideologies, with old thinking, with old methods. Time has changed. Many things have come up and we have to cope with everything, whatever new comes. You all are the future. Maybe in next 5-6 years, some of you seated here will come in my place and deliver a speech as an MLA. But that does not mean that we will enjoy the post, we will enjoy the position. We have different ideologies. We all know we are kept under government priorities. We can see how many years we are behind other states. And when Maharaj says, when our Bubakra says that come together, be Khansa, he really means it. I have seen government from both sides. I was opposition for 13-14 months. And I have seen how the government runs. We need good people. We need good people in politics. We need good bureaucrats. We need people who can speak for our society. When we have strength, when we have power, we should speak. When we become too political, our society goes back. Our society is left behind. That is the reason we are kept under government priorities. When I have spoken in the assembly, I have always spoken from the heart what was necessary, what are we facing, how we are discriminated. We cannot deny the fact. We are in government, I am in government, but yet I can say we are systematically discriminated by the government, by the system. We Tiprasa, we are very far behind others. Why? Because we are not united. If we not start doing now, we cannot answer our next generation. What will I answer after 10 years, after 15 years, when I leave politics? Our future generation, we will not have any words. We have power in our hand, but we cannot do anything, we cannot speak. In 15 years, 20 years, people will not ask that when you were young, what car do you drive? Which model phone do you use? They will not ask that. But instead they will ask, what have you done for the community? What have you done for your Dofa? So it's my humble request to you all. We should know the societal issues, what is going on. I agree, you all are students, you all are pass outs, but we should know how we are discriminated, how our Tiprasa Dofa are kept. We are always kept below the government priorities. We are always kept behind. And whenever we speak, our voices are shut. Our voices are shut down. We are being stopped that you don't speak on this topic, you don't speak this, you don't speak that. But no one can stop us. We as a Tiprasa, I as a Tiprasa, I as a young legislator, I will speak for everyone. Because I came to politics by default. I was not into politics for post and power. I came to politics for a reason, to speak something, to do something. When Maharaj said that I'm loyal to him, I'm not loyal because I'm expecting something from him, or I'm expecting a ministerial post, or some PSU's good chairmen. It's not like that. I'm speaking because my people voice need to be heard in the state, in the center, in the entire world. So, congratulations to all of you, to all the new freshers, and I know being a student organizing such a lovely program is very difficult. I also have gone through this, and we know what are the hardships, inconvenience arises, but I'm very much happy to be among you all. And whenever you need me, I will be there in terms of state affairs. Whenever you all have any issues regarding education, regarding the system, regarding the education policy, when you feel something is not right, you can please reach to us. I'll be there for you all 24/7. That will be my commitment as a Tiprasa, not as an MLA. And last, may this forum be marked with greater achievement. May TSF, and all the student organizations, all the Tiprasa frontal organizations come together, speak for the people, and rise whenever it's necessary. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.